Hey everyone, it's Eric with AeroToss. Today I'm going to show you how to use KML paths and polygons to create your mission on the P4 RTK. A lot of people find that creating missions on the small screen with the controller itself can be very tedious and not very user-friendly. Luckily for us, we can take KML files created from Google Earth and insert them directly into the controller for mission planning. First, you want to create your KML. Draw your polygon or path, depending on the type of mission that you are flying. Only use a path if you're planning to fly a linear mission. Use a polygon for all other mission types. Be sure to save your shape as a KML for the controller to read it properly. Next, you need a micro SD card and reader. Insert these into your computer and set up the file structure needed for the controller to extract the KML. If it doesn't already exist on the SD card, create a folder called DJI. Within that folder, create another folder called KML. Now you can place your KML files within the KML folder. Now eject the SD card and place the micro SD card in the compartment on the controller. Once in the controller compartment, a window should pop up with your KML files available for import. Select the desired KMLs and click Import. Now tap the menu in the upper left corner. If it isn't selected already, be sure the middle drop-down is on KML file. Here you'll see your KML files available for planning. We'll start with the linear plan. Tap Start next to your desired file. Once the path pops up on your map, tap Edit in the lower right-hand corner to plan the actual mission. On the first menu, you can adjust the width of your corridor by tapping the plus or minus, or by typing your desired width. It's important to note that you need to adjust each side of your corridor separately. Once you're satisfied with the width, tap Generate Flight Route. This will populate your area with flight lines. Beyond this, you have options for efficiency mode or full coverage. We would recommend flying full coverage for most, assuming you need good data within the swath you prescribed in the previous menu. Now in the Advanced Settings menu, you can adjust your overlap as desired. We recommend 75-75 for most missions. Now you can tap Save and save your mission offline for use later. The same process is used to plan your polygon mission. Once the KML is on your screen in the map, tap Edit and apply your desired settings. You can change the orientation of the flight lines by dragging the small yellow dot around the screen. Adjust overlap in the Advanced Settings menu and click Save for later use. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave us a comment. Want to learn more about AeroToss? Check out the link in the description below.